Right, boarded all the way up now. Finish that off, and got the gutter back up there. And what do I go and do? Over order. 5 boards left over. There you go. Gutter's all the way on along there. Boards up behind it. I got to get the piece of pipe to come off there. And the gutter's all along there. Oh, it's stinging that along my arm. That's the gutter's down there. I've got another outlet to go down the side there. Well, the pipe, the outlet is down in there somewhere. Fell off in one of the storms. So that's all boarded up now. I haven't got. I'm sort of an inch out. I'm an inch out with how far they're stepped. They're not running parallel. But there's as I say, there's a piece of battening go down there, as though I could seal it with sealer to stop the bugs going in. Got that off. Ugh. Yeah. So that'll get sealed down there. Stop the bugs going in there. Seal's done. As I say, it's up around there. I've still got a trim to go across there. But I ain't in no rush to do that. That's done. I've got some of the architrave up there, mitered in ready. Another piece to go down there. I might get up and go. It's got up and buggered off at the moment. No, I just put a saw away. I ain't going to drop another mitre on that tonight. Right, let's have a look inside first. Yeah, that's all painted out. It wants another coat now. Might do that tonight. But I might leave it because I've got to do the plasterboard. I forgot the bloody insulation. Went over there and I had that young kid, he hadn't got a bloody clue what he was doing over at the timber merchants. I gave him a full list of what I wanted and he didn't print it off a till, then walked down the yard and he didn't take a list with him. So then I had to go through it all again and forgot all about the rock wall. So I'll check the receipt now in case I did and he never put it on. I can't remember. Look, there's idolitis. Hang on.
Do I really want to look at this?
No, you don't. Just check there's no rock wool on there. No. No insulation. No. No. So, all in all, I will give you a, well, when I start blogging in here, you'll be able to see it. I'll do a tour then, but failing that, this will be the end. Nobody wants to see me put plasterboard up and paint it, so I'm leaving it with that. Cheers all, thanks for watching. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is just, I should have thought it would be the last video on it. The shed's built. Not quite finished, there's loads of finishing touches yet. Water butt's back up, I haven't plumbed that back in. So it fills up for gutter. Bird feeders up there, I can see it from the window, or if I'm sat in the conservatory. Conservatory doors on. It's fully cladded up to the top, as see in the previous clip. Gutters on. Windows are in. I took the bottom pane out of the door, as though the dog can come in and out when she wants to. It's only because we got the wrong size dog flap that's on there. Yard's tidy-ish. Still got a pile of timber there, not much left. That's all offcuts. Make a load of garden planters out of them. Still got the patio doors there though. So that's all in and quite merry. As we come inside, I've moved the tumble dryer from under there. That's what's left of the insulation. Not a lot left. Tied it up under there. I haven't tied it up on there yet. That's why I say it's just a few more finishing touches. CCTV's got to go all the way around, and it's going up in that corner. That wall's plasterboarded and insulated, and I've also moved the tumble dryer into that corner. Spotty's dish. She's turning her nose up at her water, darling.
Yeah, I was just supposed to do now. Mine, this floor's wet.
Right. Oh look. Top of tea. Yeah. So tumbler's in there. Loads of gap underneath it. Ventilation. And it comes out through the vent there. I'll if I turn it on to 100 minutes, right, and I'll flick it onto the wall, and if you watch the flap, oh, wrong one, that one, they automatically open. Lovely hot air coming out of there, saves all the damp coming back into the conservatory. Yeah, turn it off. Oh, see, I pretended I knew how to use that. Yes, look, and I'm videoing, and you come out and start shouting at me. Where are you going now?
Looking.
You're working?
I'm looking.
Oh, you're looking?
Hey! That is Alicia's.
It's mine now, because Alicia gave it me.
But I am taking it back in the living room.
Right, and electrician's bin. I've got 3 data points out here now off the smart hub. Got new smart hub and everything. This is all painted out now. That's plasterboarded and insulated. Windows in. Got an old set of curtains up there. Still got a little bit of filling to do up there, but I ain't too worried about that. We got my office desk in here, so that's where it'll be running. That's where I'm doing all the editing of this video, and that's where the camera on top of the screen I'll be doing Brightwells from. Hopefully, ashtray will be empty by then, and so it's all done and hunky-dory. Nothing on the walls yet. Nothing there. I put a curtain up. Put a curtain. Tea drinking. Put a curtain up as though it sort of keeps the light out of it, if anything. Stops the kids annoying me. And none of that if I'm editing or doing a blog, you know, doing my Tuesday live. If I can't see them, they can't see me, and it doesn't stall me with talking. So tied it up a bit under there. Haven't done that yet. That's not been moved yet. The CCTV, as I say, will go up in that corner. I haven't really done that because we're supposed to be having a new CCTV. We're going to get a new CCTV base, because that one's a bit vintage. He's only got a 500 megabyte hard drive in. Now 250 megabytes. Doesn't record an awful lot. So really it'll only be a stand to put the monitor on, because the video itself will be screwed to the wall on its side. Doesn't need to be on a shelf. I might screw it to the bottom of the shelf yet, don't know, but there's all the data leads going around the corner. I had 3 ports put out here, one for my computer, one for the laptop, and one for the CCTV. So all in all, I'm quite chuffed. It's another job done. all the roof has all been folded under and all stitched up. That's all done up there nicely. I've moved the ladder away so I can't get up there and show you the end of it, the conservatory, but it was in the previous clip. So all in all, thanks you all for coming to watch it, if you watched it all. So we've my planter back there, got a tree growing there, I think it's a lemon tree. So right, Spotty loves her little hatch. She can come out of the kitchen at night time and straight out for a pee. Right, love you and leave you. Thanks for watching.